あちゃん、昨日さ、面白い電話があったのよ。スティーブ・テキセンのファン、そして星カフェによく来る人なんだけど、なんか RX-7FC を買っちゃって、なんかワンオーナーの車両らしいんだけど、自分は買ったんだけど家を買いたいので、売らなきゃいけないっていうことで言ったのよ。すごい綺麗な車両で、おばあちゃんのワンオーナーの車両買ったから誰にでもいいわけじゃなくて、スティーブに買ってもらえないかと。そろそろ来るんだけど、RX-7FC だよ。ワンオーナー。ねえ、どういう車だろうね。じゃあ見てみたいと思います。スティーブ・テキセンのスティーブと言います。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。あちゃん、来たよ。これ、さっき言ったじゃん。ほら、RX-7FC。完璧なワンオーナーだよ。ワンオーナー。おい、スカイちゃん気をつけて。はい。スカイ。来た。あちゃん見て。すごーい。かっけー。What's up, man? Woo! わー。あちゃん、ワンオーナーの車だって。これ、8万マイル。待ってる。スカイちゃん、うわー、綺麗じゃない。見てよ。Woo! I hope you like dogs, man. That's Sky. Sky, you got it. What's up, man? Oh, she really likes you. あちゃん、すごい RX-7 だよね。
すごい綺麗だよね。
あんなにオリジナルなものを見たことないよ。30何年前の車であんなに綺麗にまだあることが、俺ちょっとね、うちの RX-7FC しか乗ったことないから、一回乗ってみたいと思う。ちょっとテストドライブに行ってくるね。行ってきます。
教えて。
Chase, this is a fantastic. How did you find a one-owner car like this nice shape?
Well, I was going up there for a job interview because I wanted to see if they would train anybody, and they weren't looking. And we got to talking about the cars that they were working on. They gave me a tour of the shop, and I was like, "Well, I'd love to have one."
Yeah.
And they said, "Well, this lady just pretty much doesn't want the car anymore. It's a one-owner car. It's a '91, and she wants to sell it." And I made an offer, and she accepted it. And I came back and picked it up. It was that simple.
I own an FC. You know that, right?
Yeah.
This car has ice-cold air conditioning. The car drives so nice. It's quiet. I can hear myself think. My car, you cannot hear yourself thinking. But this is 87,000 miles. This is a later model too. What year is this one?
91.
This is a 91. Mine's an 86. As a 91. This is right before the FDs came out. This must be one of the last or later RX-7 FCs that were made and sold in the US.
Pretty well optioned out. Original window sticker, all 3 keys.
The 3 keys, valet key, the original window sticker, and this car was how much did it say?
22,000 brand new.
Wow. Power windows, security system, fog lights, washers for. I mean, this car's loaded up with a lot of options, man.
Absolutely. It was such a deal on it, and it was in such good shape because we were actually looking at cars on Facebook Marketplace when I mentioned it.
Yeah.
And all the cars he showed me, he goes, "Don't buy that." He goes, "You want something in this shape," and that's kind of when the conversation came in to make the offer.
Wow, man, you really. You know, they say sometimes things happen for reasons, right? Maybe there was a reason that day that you found this car and you bought it, and maybe there's a reason deeper than why you called me yesterday and you said, "Hey, Steve, I got this beautiful car and I bought it. I'd love to keep it, but I have a goal." Your goal is you want to buy a house, right?
Yeah, I'm going to buy a house.
And you've been talking to me as your realtor to help you with that, but you have debt you want to pay off. You have some consolidating things you want to take care of, and
this will take care of all of it.
昨日電話あったんですよ、チェイス君から。スティーブはこの車見つけたんだけど、もうどうしてもやっぱり家を買いたいという目標があるので、手放さなきゃいけないと。ただ誰でもいいって買ってくれる人は誰でもいいわけじゃないので、できればスティーブに買ってもらいたいと。で、今日初めて見せてもらってるんですよ。There may be, like I said, the reason that you sell it, now you move on somewhere down the road.
Absolutely.
Somewhere down the road. And there's money now, but somewhere down the road, something good will come again from it. And look, me and you started a relationship over Japanese cars and Hoshi, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll tell you again what I told you on the phone last night. I have an FC, a car that my son and I built together, and we love the car. And I really appreciate this car more than, well, I think you understand how much I appreciate this car. you'll become friends with too going down the road. And I'm hoping that this car can maybe move on to somebody like that eventually.
Yeah, that's kind of why I called you, because even if you didn't keep the car, I trust you that you'll find somebody who will love and take care of it.
I won't find somebody who's going to trash or hurt this car, man. It's too nice of a car. It's too original. This car should be kept as much just like the way it is right now as it is, and it has been kept since 1991. So we're talking about how many years? 34 years.
Yeah, about 34, yeah.
34 years, wow.
And the fact that she took care of it so well, she obviously loved the car.
Yeah.
And she didn't like be on it or anything. She didn't daily drive it. This was her toy. She thought of this like how Ferrari owners think of the Ferrari.
This is her baby. This
was her sports car.
Her exotic. It drives so nice, man. It's really dialed in, mechanically sound. I don't think I've ever driven an RX-7 this sound and original like this. You know, everybody modifies them. And I think the beauty in this car is the fact that nobody's touched this car and that it's completely original like that, man. It's got cruise control.
Yeah, it's got cruise control.
Oh my God, it's got cruise control. Wow, this car's got a lot of options.
She pretty much fully optioned it out.
Wow, and it was born. It was sold first in Texas and Fort Worth, and it stayed in the general Dallas-Fort Worth area. You got it, and it's still here now in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Dude, this is cool. This car's got to stay in Texas.
Yeah,
we got to keep this car here local for us, man, and for people, for you to run back into again. And who knows? You know what? Been crazier stories, but I wouldn't be surprised. One day you get your house, you get everything worked out, you see this car again one day. Don't be surprised if something, all of a sudden you say, "Wait a minute."
That'd be great. That'd be a
You're
great
able to get
story.
your hands on this car again. Yeah, might be a little more expensive than you originally paid for it, perhaps, but these cars are appreciating and coming up, and man, this is a nice one, dude. Let's park the car and talk a little bit.
Absolutely.
Thanks. 素晴らしい車ですよ。見て、エアコンがあって、もうちゃんと効くエアコンがある。クルーズコントロールもある。ねえ、あっちゃんすごいよね。あとこの辺りはあっちゃんの車。あっちゃんの車といえば、
ちょっと見える
あっちにあるんだよね。ちょっと見えるんだけど、パワーウィンドウ。
ねえ、パワーロック、
パワーロックが、パワーウィンドウ、パワーロック、エアコン、オリジナルのハンドル、クルーズコントロール、メーターが全部動いて、います。そしてここにあるセキュリティの方がもうあるということで、最初ディーラーで売れた時の、売られた時のウィンドウステッカーっていうか、その紙があるので、22,115ドルです。And it was sold in Texas, right here, and that is it. Here's all the package. Oh, here it is, optional equipment. Wow, and the silent pack. What could that be? The silent pack.
Exhaust.
You know what the silent pack would be?
I don't.
I don't know either, but well, compared to ours, it's kind of silent.
Yeah, it's not silent.
Sounds really good. あ、じゃあヘッドランプ見せて。
Wow. Nice. Wow. Smooth.
これ買うべきだな。これも素晴らしい車で、もし買ったら彼にも話したんだけど、これは新しいオーナーを探すにはもう探していい人、この車を大切にする人じゃないといけないなと。
もったいないもん。
もったいない。これもまた改造、もうあっちゃんの車みたいに。
俺の車当時はすごいボロボロだったから
ね
よろしかったけど、
まあなんだけど
こんなに綺麗な車だったらちょっともったいない。あれ？スカイちゃんもいる。
買っちゃったよ。ガイちゃんもう早速乗ってみたいって言ってるよ。ちょっと車見てみよう。はい、スカイちゃんどうぞ降りてください。はい、どうぞ。はい、スカイちゃんは気に入りの。あっちゃん見てくださいよ。こんなにオリジナルな綺麗に乗られたものはほらエンジンを見てください。
オリジナルでエアコンもう全部ある、クルーズコントロールがある、パワーステパワーブレーキはもちろん、でも程度を見れば分かる、すごいよね。ベルトがちょっとねうるさいけどね、でもね程度がすごくいい。細かい傷とかね仕方ないんだけどね、そういうのはあるんだけど、こういうところでも基本的にすごく綺麗、中も綺麗だし、
わお、エアコンも涼しいね。
エアコンも涼しい。そしてあっちゃん一番気になったところはこのスモークが貼ってあったところ。
ああ、ちょっとまだ
俺ね頑張ってまだ少し細かいところあるけど、でも
おこれも開くの？
ちゃんと開くので、こんなまた綺麗にもう少し仕上げていくんだけど、中のカーペットも綺麗。そしてさ、この下も見て、ちゃんとジャッキーがオリジナルでまだ入ってること、綺麗だよね。
すごいね。
どう？
すごい綺麗だね。
すごいいい車買った。でもね、彼に約束したことがある。買わせてもらって RX-7FC があきちゃんと2人で作った車があるから、もう1台がね必要ないっていうことを言ったので、ただ周りに欲しい人がね、この車を大切にする人がいっぱいいるから、そういう人を探してそういう人に譲るということはチェイスに言ったので、
考えだね。
ね、そしたらまた星カフェでまたね見ることができる。そしてまたねこの辺でまた一緒に走ったりすることができるから、そういうことかな。
それ楽しみだね。
でもそれが決まるまでまずあっちゃんに乗ってほしい。ちょっと比べてみたいなって、今の RX-7FC とのどんだけオリジナルと改造車が違うのかっていうことは、次の動画にしようか。それはテストライブとその比較が
乗ってみたいもん
ね。皆さんチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。こういう話も奇跡のような話とかもあるんで、素晴らしい車。たまにいつも改造車だけのことなんだけど、たまにオリジナルの車両乗ると
楽しい
ね、なんかね違う意味ではすごい楽しい、いいなと思います。日々前進前向きにやっていきましょう。よろしくお願いします。ではまた次回まで。3、2、1、バイバイ。